hadiyo nchayi kiriye kiyenje ogamba omuna Kenya otayina amagezi naawe nani mupima nange kulaba oba asobola ndavira mwawo nga tasobola asaba biri kinasaba kino sinakireeta nga atali kukinale naawunga navaako
omuna Kenya muki bannange
kaali kasumaali lwakuba nakateeka koti munnakenya
naye ng'amanya go gamanya amatuufu
ye afi
afyani
afi birala nawe nyizo bitegeera agamanya nawe gategereka abantu
omukyala yavuddeyo n'agamba takwagala yetasobola
simwagala sagala bwe batyo njagala muntu ali stable naye nomucamusa mmale mutegeere kimena mutegedde nga ndaba kilaasi ya wansi nyonyo namuwe emmotoka wishi nga mpyattuku n'agigana n'agamba ayagala emmotoka ng'esinga eyange yayogera cross country emwero simanyi 13 ngamba ono mulalu kiki nendaba nga talina na lubuto ono kumuteeka mu mmotoka eyo namugalinda musofu n'olubu
mulekerawo bannayo okwetuulako lwasa abakubi akamanyiiro kati abakubi akamanyiiro ziva kugira emigo gya Pretty Nicole abakubi akamanyiiro n'ajoga ono n'ajoga oli n'akomba ono n'akomba oli n'atuuka n'okukomba olulimi n'ataka n'oleeka obufaananyi obuseegu ebibiina by'abakyala biririddawo ekitegeeza abakazi muli bijanjalo muli bakuzanyirako mulinga bigo bakunnyala mu bunyaazi bannange lwasa kisusse bwe banga mu gavumenti waliwo ateeka mu lwasa ssente okwonoona abakazi n'okujolonga abakazi ekyo nakyo kitegeere
okumanya ayina ejjooga avuddeko ne kubaawana agendeko
ne kubeeri
nokuba Somaali
kwegamba alinga aga nti abakazi nagisi abakazi tebategeerekeka lwaserekera okujoka bannyinaffe lwaserekera okujoka bannyinaffe onagira ng'ogenda na Pretty Nicole onakulaba tukulaba oline lweyipi onotera kwepikira mama fiina lwasa abakazi mwekole mw'omulimu muteege lwasa mumuyiire enkali emaze wiiki 2 kisuse baana b'abantu bajoloozi
ono yamwandula amaluse yamusobola
n'abatanzi
bannange
bana lwasa kisuse
anti yewaana mbu ayina
sente mmeka lwasa asinga kirumira sente asinga filimani kiyimba sente
lwaki bo tebamugana
mami fati ono owatuwantravu owe Dubai eyazimbira asi ennyumba nga ye tawasa buli
lwaki ye tebamugana
ye nga tawaani
lwasa
abantu baavu
ekigana abakazi balina obuzibu
abantu baavu omavu tulabangako balanga ku maleediyo n'amativi nti tulina kampani simanga mulete kampani tulina kampani tubagala bakola mu sitowa bakola mu gundi abaana ne batuuka ne batandika ositula bino ebigundi obusero ne bufulasika n'obutebetebe abantu baavu banaku
lwasa kabamanyi
lwasa alina okukwata naga akwata miliyoni 3 weeyambule nga ntadde mu kamera
ani abagamba obbeera abanaku kababonyeebonye
toyogera bwotyo ensi gye tulimu yakusika mugo ate nabo booli timu lwasa nja kuyira n'amazzi
olereza abakazi abakazi be bagenda
bakazi bamaama baffe bannyinaffe mwe tuva bwe twebakako ate oya naye bakazi kinsimatusi abakazi abo balaba batubeererawo bambi
by the way serious note lwasa alekera
nedda
gufuse
minisita w'abakyala oliwa muluganda temuli aba MP b'abakazi muliwa ba MP abakazi muliwa mutudde ate speaker wa parliament mukazi kati lwasa bava nepikira speaker magoga bamuse ne magoga bamuse magoga bamuse
aye kiswala kivaayo
cyane kibasa kivone kimugamba anita ate katolwa mate yavayo na epikira anita
abakazi beerwaneko
abakazi mwe kati katolwa manga avaya gambako katolwa muntu katolwa mawafananya batunga ali mungoyi olubwe yeyambula kati lwasa okibanti ate gurupu ya katolwa maye ya lwasa yeyo tubabalaba nga bali ku byennyanja bamaze ojjooga abantu batudde sebo banyumirwa oyo tumumaze twagala mulala tugera teekawo mbusibanga katolwa maye security nga tulonda abakyala mbubayite n'abakyala nga Vincent Segabo yakola
bakazi beerwaneko bwoba obuulirira
bakazi mwerwaneko
kamanyiiro amaze ab'omu Uganda kati wuuyo agenze onagira ng'afuna muzungu naye ng'amumanyiira
lwegenda lwasa bakwanakkiriza mulume kaakantu ndaba kati yate katwala ddakiika meka tekanakutuka kali kati kalinga nsumba
ajja basiba
okaluma newewezaako nabadde neerwanako bannange okaluma lwasa nedda that is too much kati nga nako biringa nzira mu kutunula ntyo nga lwasa nga adyati jukira ye munene alina oluto
bwakora bana abakoze ebintu bwabagira bwabakomba bwabasubiza ebintu bwabijjayo bwanunula emmotoka
yakireta yikyabera si kitasoma bale twawuna kitata tutula lwasa twalina ate kyakajja kapemba yaganda okukola obulungi ne baleta lwasa ani yaleta lwasa nani yaleta lwasa
ate akyali
lwasa wagira kibiina
yali mu bayimbi
lwasa wagira kibiina ki tugende tumulope mu kibiina kyawagira
shiba kunama
ali mu shiba kunama
kubona yakudama
shiba tugambire ku lwasa shiba lidia jazi milimu
aina kibiina ki shiba
kunama shiba kunama production abakira shiba kunama queen production
naye nga lwasa
lwakiri ekigende walunda n'akiwa omulimu nekyetandika okusavinga emmere obe wa papa ne wa misaki.
I'm not fine. Mimi siko mzuri wallahi. Watu wote wanadhani kwamba mimi na wewe tumelala. Unasikia? Watu wote, family yangu, the social media and everyone. Nawaambia watu mimi sikuwa naijua. Niliwaambia hao kwamba mimi na wewe hakuna kitu tumewifi, lakini hakuna mtu ananiamini Mr. Lwasa. And just know that mimi nimekasirika kwako. Like I'm not happy with you, Mr. Lwasa. Unanisikia? Yes, because no one is believing in me. You know, hakuna mtu ananiamini. Niliambia watu mimi sijalala na yeye, lakini hakuna mtu ananiamini. You know, for sure ulinifanya vibaya because at the first time uliniambia ni mtu mmoja. Naona watu interviewers, they are almost millions na inaniumiza. Watu wananiita malaya, watu wananiita maskini, yani sina pesa. Nilifanya kwamba pesa, you understand? So kona pesa umewahi nipatia kusema ukweli? Is there any money you ever gave me, Mr. Lwasa? Just niambie. Because here you are in loudspeaker, hata watu wangu wanakusikia. Umewahi nipatia the time. But he was, I think that's enough evidence, right?
Didn't sleep with him?
I didn't. Anyone who understands Kiswahili, they had me asking. They had me asking him. He never gave me a single coin, not even 5,000. Not even 5,000. We just had that business that has been going on. I had my gold buy and all that stuff. So just know that we didn't have anything. But even back home, they're not believing in me. Now in home, they believe in me that for me, I'm not a person who's like that. You understand? So I'm just like, no one's believing in me. But my family believe in me that I didn't have sex with him. Like I didn't. Nothing can happen between us, and he knows that. He knows that. I'm not going to talk about like the reason, but there is nothing that can be between us. We never had anything, and we cannot have anything. Like we cannot. To be honest, we cannot.
But it is alleged that you asked for money for sex.
My dear, I told you, even if he offers me billions, I cannot sleep with him, and he knows why. He knows why. He knows why, and he knows why. I'm going to say it again. He knows why I cannot sleep with him.
Why can't you sleep with him?
No, for that, let it remain as me. But I'm telling you, I cannot sleep with him. Even if he offers me 10 billion Uganda shilling, I cannot. Like, I cannot. I cannot. Let me call him again here, till.
It's off.
Just know that I cannot sleep with him. All I need is people to believe in me. I want my people also to believe in me, to be honest.
You didn't sleep with him?
I didn't sleep with him. No one will believe in me, but I didn't. And I cannot sleep with him. You know, we have family, we have friends, we have in-laws, we have, you know, We have future. I'm just 28. You understand? I'm just 28 years. I have a very bright future. And money cannot make me do such, to be honest. Money cannot open my legs. Anyone who knows me out there, they know me. Even my friends knows me. I met rich men more than him. You understand? I come from a place of money. I come from Kenya.
What if he comes out and he portrays that you were madly in love with him? What could you do next?
For there, I'm going to bring the reason why there is nothing can be between us. I'm telling you, I'm going to bring the reason why. I have the evidence. I have the evidence that there is nothing can be between us. I'm going to bring the evidence. If he does any comeback, I'm going to bring the evidence. Nana nisikia akikuja. I'm just telling you.
Aren't you trying to threaten?
No, I'm not trying to threaten. Like, just know that he already spoiled my family's name. You know, people are even calling me kafiri. You know, people are calling. They are saying that I'm not Muslim. I'm a Muslim 100%.
Because you said that you could bear with his habits and vices of taking alcohol.
No woman could pay about that. No woman, even if I love him, I could not. No matter how much I love you. Yes, no matter how much I love you. Just know that there is nothing can be between us. If Mr. Lwasa comes out saying that I slept with him or he paid me money, I'm ready to bring the evidence why, like the evidence why I didn't sleep with him. You understand?
Why?
And there is,
why couldn't you sleep with him?
No, just know that let him does the comeback. Yes, let him does the comeback.